Hi class, I know this isn't the semester we had planned, but I have moved our course online. A lot of things are going to stay the same. There's just a couple changes. So I want to show you guys how to navigate those things in Blackboard um, and hopefully make this transition a little bit easier. All right, class, so here is the home page of our Blackboard. First thing I wanted to do was go ahead and update you guys on the changes to the syllabus. So here's our new syllabus, okay? I want you to know that now we meet online. We're meeting asynchronously. Thank you all so much for responding to my survey. Based on the fact that we're in a bunch of different time zones and the majority of the class did want to meet asynchronously, that's what I decided to do. I still am having office hours. I can meet with you via Zoom, which is a phone app you can download, Skype or FaceTime. As long as you email me to make an appointment, I can meet with you guys 7 days a week. Our final exam and all of our other exams will be online, either through Blackboard or My Math Lab. I haven't quite decided yet, but I will communicate with you guys when I do. All homework and reading quizzes are still through My Stat Lab. All of our projects are still going to be done as groups. I hope you all still like your groups. Please reach out to your groups. If you don't like your group, feel free to email me and I can put you in a new group. And make sure if you haven't heard from one of your members in a long time, you communicate that to me as well. All right. So, one thing that I've added is participation. So there will be 4 discussion boards, and it's one for each chapter remaining and the final exam review. Each final exam discussion board is worth 10 points. You must create your own post and comment on at least one classmate's. Your projects, you don't have to print them off anymore. I don't want to get that much mail, so why don't you email them to me? Email them to me as a PDF or as a doc. I would prefer not to have the Google link. As I said, tests will be online now via Blackboard or My Math Lab. A couple of our test dates have moved. They're going to be on April 3rd and April 27th. The exam will be open all day, so you'll have all day on that time to take it. I haven't decided if they're going to be timed or not. They'll probably be timed, but to be an hour or 2, just to make sure you have enough time. Because I added participation points, your final exam now counts for less. Your final exam is now just 160 points. And I believe that's all the changes to the syllabus. Again, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me with those. All right, so let's go back to our Blackboard. Okay, on the home page, you will see that there is a Chapter 8 folder. And in this Chapter 8 folder is everything you should need to successfully complete Chapter 8. So there's this link to the Chapter 8 PowerPoint, link to the Chapter 8 videos, and then here's a link to the discussion board where you can create your posts. These videos are videos I made of me talking over the PowerPoint to help you go along. Khan Academy is another great resource. They have really short videos on how to solve simple problems. So that's going to be the new layout, and I'll post new chapters to the home page. Oh, one other thing I forgot about the syllabus is on the syllabus, if you scroll down, our schedule has changed a little bit. So let's backtrack to that. All right, here was our spring break. Here was our extra spring break. Chapter 6 project was supposed to be due the Monday you returned. If you could have that to my inbox on Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to be pretty flexible about everything, guys. We're covering Chapter 8 over the course of this week, and on Friday, like the Friday when we got back from spring break was supposed to be, Chapter 7 project is due. I have moved the due dates of the article projects to the PowerPoint. So our Chapter 8 project will due April 1st. We'll have some test review next week. I'll make a video for that. And then our exam will be on Friday. Then your test 2 article will be due. The link to that is in the projects. And then we'll do chapter 9 project review, chapter 10, and then we still have a whole week for test review before our 3rd exam, and then a whole week for final exam review. Our final exam, I'm going to open it up for the entire final exam time, so you can take it at your leisure, but it will be timed. All right, class, now that I've shown you how to navigate our new Blackboard course, I ask for 2 things, patience and communication, okay? I know this is a big change for all of us, and as long as you guys communicate with me about what's working and what isn't working, or make sure you do ask all questions you have, we're going to cover all the material we were planning to cover, and you will be so prepared for school to start back up next fall. I miss you guys, and I look forward to talking to you online.